Hi, I'm Jacob Ball, co-founder and president of Cozy Bread. I will illustrate what not to do with our products. This is the insulation box and this is the proofing mat. The proofing mat is designed to be water resistant. You can wipe this down with a wet washcloth, but do not get the controller unit wet. The insulation box does not go on top of the proofing mat. The proofing mat goes inside of the insulation box. If you put the insulation box on top of the proofing mat, it will not transfer heat through. This is a thermal insulating box. Do not assume that the proofing mat is not working when set to 83 degrees. The human body is naturally at 98 degrees, and if you touch on it, it's going to feel cooler to the touch than your 98-degree hand. For more information and more great products, visit our website. All of our products are available on Amazon, as well as our how-to-use videos. Thank you for your time.